Hey guys, if you've been watching my videos lately, you know that my wife has been really sick and she's been in the hospital. It started out as the flu, then it turned into pneumonia, then into ARDS, Acute Respiratory Distress Syndrome, which is very serious. Your lungs get all inflamed and fill up with liquid, and it's really hard to recover from. So she was in the hospital for 3 weeks, and they finally had to end up putting her to sleep and putting a breathing tube in, and I thought that hopefully by doing that, having that breathe for her could help her lungs recover. They even had her on what they call a rotoprone bed. It's a rotating bed, and it would tilt her up on one side like that for maybe like 30 seconds, and then it would rotate the other way and keep her on that side for 30 seconds, and it just kept doing that, and it kept the lungs moving. The idea is it would, keep the lungs moving so the fluids don't settle in one place, and it could help the lungs heal better. That's supposed to be the best way to cure this condition. Unfortunately, it didn't work. It just basically her lungs never recovered. The ARDS was just too much. So on Friday, basically we had to make the decision to have the breathing tube removed, and she passed away. Basically she just couldn't breathe on her own anymore. So I want to thank everyone for all the well wishes and the prayers and all of that, but unfortunately it didn't end the way that I hoped, that we all hoped. Although I think it was what was best for her. Her health had been declining over the last several years. She had a lot of chronic pain problems and anxiety and depression and things like that. So she was kind of pretty unhappy with life. So I think really it ended the best for her. Not for me and her kids, but for her. So like I said, I appreciate all the support and all the well wishes, and I'll be back. I'm probably going to take a little time to kind of recover and recoup from all this, but I'll be back. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.